The big cats are among the most beautiful of all animals, but their beauty is inseparable from their adaptations for a life as top predators. Every nuance of the cat's motions and expressions stems from the animal's anatomy, and knowing those anatomical secrets gives us a new, deeper look at these amazing creatures. I was drawn to the detailed study of cat anatomy by the need of references for the scientific reconstruction of extinct predators, such as the saber-tooths. But this experience has given me, as a bonus, a whole new perspective of the modern cat. In order to share this deeper look at the felines, we have created a new safari experience, drawing the big cats. Last September, we went to the pristine wilderness of Northern Botswana, where we traveled for 10 days in search of the big cats. We know that the felines are elusive, and while we search for them, we fully enjoy the observation of the amazing environments, the incredible bird life, the profusion of mammals, and other predators, including the amazing African wild dog. But Botswana being such prime big cat country, the felines don't let us down, and we have top quality viewings, with intimate looks at their social and family life. Even the most secretive of them, the leopard, allows us priceless glimpses into its behavior and locomotion. Back at camp, or during our lunch stops out in the wild, we set to work. We put to the test our pencil, hand and brain, and check the accuracy of the cat within, that mental image that allows us to fill in the gaps in each observation, and to concentrate on the unique features of each encounter. Just as important as the lessons on cat locomotion and anatomy is the chance to put what we learn in perspective in the animal's pristine habitat, absorbing the essence of Africa every minute. We cannot wait for the next opportunity to learn firsthand about the most majestic of all wild predators.